Hey guys, Amy here at Aim for a Creative Life. I'm in the car taking what I think is a 5-week-old squirrel to a wildlife rehabber because 2 days ago we were walking in our backyard and the squirrel got separated from its mom. We thought, what's wrong with that squirrel? We thought it was like hunchbacked or something. It was a mom trying to carry a very large baby, and she got startled and ran off. There's a couple big dogs, neighbor dog and then our dog, and so she ran off and the baby was just kind of confused and around on the ground. So the squirrel, like, of course we saw it and was like, oh, it's the baby, and so we wanted to go look at it, and then just kind of peering at it, and it ran up to us and it jumped on my 2-year-old and scared the crud out of her. At first, I'll show you the video. She said, oh, it's so cute, I love it, but it jumped on her and then she didn't love it so much anymore. It's okay.
He can still jump to me.
It's okay. Yeah, he did almost climb her, didn't he?
Cute.
He's very cute. Kids named it Jeff. And I thought, it looks so big, surely it can climb up the tree and go into a nest. Well, I found out at 6 weeks old, they still are nursing. The mom can't actually pick them up. I didn't know this until I called a wildlife rehabber. The mom can't pick them up unless they're like little pink hairless ones. Well, this one's got its eyes open. It's probably had its eyes open for about a week, and it's too small to climb up the tree itself. So the mom can't take it up to the nest. And I was like, well, then why was she trying to carry it across the yard if she can't actually physically carry it? And the lady said that, it's probably something probably went wrong and she was trying to find a different nest, transfer the kids. Anyways, this was the only one we've seen. Like I said, it kept finding us. I put it in a blanket by the base of the tree one night, and it was there in the morning. My kids are like, oh, he's still there. We tried to see if he would eat, like sunflower seeds and stuff. But apparently, I kept reading, well, they need milk until they're about 6 months old, and that's when they can fend for themselves. So here this thing is 6 weeks old, and I'm thinking it's gonna get cold, and it was 50-something degrees, 46 that night. It was fine, but I was expecting it to go back with its mom, and apparently that wasn't gonna happen. So, fast forward, I'm online researching, check for maggots, or little white, like rice-looking things to make sure that flies aren't gonna lay eggs and then maggots eat it alive, and stuff. There's some serious things you should be worried about, like, is it dehydrated? Well, it peed on me, so I didn't think it was dehydrated. And then I looked up a recipe for a temporary formula. Anyways, I did read that they need puppy formula, and I went to the store and they were out. Went to a couple stores, but in any case, and also, by the way, those are really expensive. They're like $28, so not everybody can afford that. But I could afford a can of goat milk, and I saw a recipe that you mix some, and don't quote me, it's best to probably call a wildlife rehabber for reasons I'm going to share next. And this baby just chugged it, so his belly's full, he's happy. But then today, when we went out and he was still in this little box, before I called the rehabber, and he really wanted to eat again. He was like frantic, but it was so frantic that he sucked it in and bubbles came out his nose. So I'm like, oh no, if he's aspirating, he could get pneumonia. And you don't want him to have an infection, so that means he needs to have antibiotics. So essentially, that's the point where I'm like, I can't do this alone. As I learned more, he really needed, if his mommy isn't actually going to take him back like we were hoping, because we'd seen her in the yard, she can't carry him up the tree to the nest. We don't want the cats and the dogs in the neighborhood to get him. Anyhow, so that's why I'm on the way. But the first wildlife rehabber I called, she said, oh, he's gonna die. You can't feed him goat milk, whatever. I'm like, it's a temporary formula. We don't want him to be dehydrated because then he would die sooner. Like, I was so frustrated with her. But she gave me the info of a guy whose place I'm going right now. The little guy's in here, and he just curls up. But he kept like climbing up our jeans. So if he can climb up our jeans, you'd think he could climb up our legs or climb up the tree, right? Is it going on your shirt again? I don't think he can find the button. Here, come here so I can see him.
You're my little furry friend. Here's the entrance.
Why did we call him Jeff?
Yeah, because that's the first thing that came to mind.
Kind of sounds like the little noise he makes when he's like talking. He's like, I went back in.
Yeah, you're right. This sounds like.
I think he was cold that night because he went under my shirt and he just sat there. We're like, okay, he's adopting us.
Wait, Mom, turn around. I want to.
I think he's cold. I think that's why he's shivering.
Do you want me to get some of my cloth and put it around him?
I don't know what we should do with him. You don't think he likes the light?
Oh!
Well, hello.
Here. Or cutie.
Where's your mama?
He's gonna.
That was so cute when he climbed into my pocket. Where are you gonna go now? Oh my goodness, you're gonna find my pocket.
This is so. Oh my goodness, we gotta tell Grandma and Grandpa about this.
He just has to steer clear of Cody or he's in trouble. Gonna go back in? It's tiny. I just love you. It's funny how he's talking the whole time. Oh, whoops.
Hi. Oh, he likes your hair. I hope he's not gonna chew it.
He did sort of nibble on my clothes, but you'll be okay.
Hi. He's gonna bite me.
No, he won't bite you, baby. He's with you because you're warm and safe. Okay.
He's brave.
Something. Here, do you need me to help you?
I don't. Hi.
Oh, he's
Hi,
just trying to
Humorous.
find a place.
Wait, no. Humor is cutie. Cutie patootie.
Oh. So, it was in one way amazing and wonderful and magical, like, you know, like living the Disney princess dream of, you know, squirrels and everything. Like Snow White. But, and then I just knew if he's this friendly, then he's not gonna make it. If he's getting familiarized with people, he's not going up a tree, he's probably gonna get eaten by the neighborhood cat. So I think this is the best for Jeff, as my kids call him, and he's adorable. Would love to keep him, but we do not want to risk him getting sick because of aspirating. So yeah, I just wanted to share some excitement just in this quick video because I know my best friend and her sister were excited about it too, so thought I'd share with you that this is what's our fault. And I just thought, it's so late in the season, why in the world is there a baby out here? But I guess mommy's, maybe it's a young mom, I don't know what the deal is, but nature is nature, and I didn't want to see nature reclaim this baby, so yes, save the squirrels. I do try to safely dodge squirrels in the road, etc. And I hate it when they eat my my little maple trees and stuff, but when they're babies, you know, same with rabbits. Yeah, they might eat my they might eat my garden, but once they're babies, you take care of those babies.
At the light, turn right onto Bigger Road.
Oh, gotta go.